It was late at night. Tom was alone in his room. He looked at his laptop. One message was on the screen. You were not selected. Tom felt sad. He said, I'm tired. I want to stop. For 6 months, he tried to find a job. Every answer was, no. That night, he wanted to give up. But then, he asked one new question. What can I do better? That small question changed his life. Because when we stop saying, why me? And start saying, what's next? Everything can change. Keep listening. Keep learning. Your story is not over yet. The next morning, Tom woke up early. He did not feel happy. He looked at his phone. There were no new messages. Tom slowly got out of bed. He made a cup of tea. Then he sat near the window. He thought about his life. I work hard, he thought. But nothing changes. Tom had a simple dream. He wanted a good job. He wanted to help his mother. He wanted to have a better life. But every week brought another rejection. Every rejection made him weaker. Tom started to lose hope. He thought about giving up. That morning, Tom went outside, his heart heavy. He walked through a quiet street. Feeling invisible. People were going to work, with hope in their eyes. Cars were moving, rushing past him like his chances. Shops were opening, starting new days. Everyone looked busy, like they all had a place. But Tom felt like he was standing still. Stuck in the same place. Tom stopped at a small coffee shop, his shoulders tired. He sat near the window, staring out with empty eyes. An old man was sitting at another table, watching quietly. The man noticed Tom's sad face and the weight he carried. He smiled, gentle and warm. Are you okay? He asked, voice soft. Tom looked at him, holding back tears. I am tired, Tom said, his voice breaking. I keep trying, but nothing works, he whispered, defeated. The old man listened quietly. Then he asked, how many times did you try? Tom thought for a moment. Maybe 50 times. The old man smiled. Then try one more time. Tom looked confused. One more time? Yes, the man said. Sometimes, one small decision changes everything. Tom looked at his tea. He did not believe the man. One more time will not change my life, he thought. But something stayed in his mind. One more time. Tom went home that afternoon. He opened his laptop again. He looked at his old job applications. They were not very good. His resume had many mistakes. His skills were not clear. Tom finally understood something. Maybe the problem was not his dream. Maybe he needed to improve his plan. That night, Tom made one small decision. He would not send another application. Not yet. First, he would improve himself. He opened his laptop. He watched a free lesson online. Then he studied for 1 hour. The next day, he studied again. Tom started a new routine. Every morning, he studied for 1 hour. Then he worked on his resume. After that, he practiced speaking. He also learned new computer skills. It was not easy. But Tom continued. 1 hour every day. One small step every day. After 1 week, Tom noticed something. He felt different. He was still not successful. He still had problems. But he had more confidence. He was improving. Slowly. Step by step. After 3 weeks, Tom finished his new resume. It looked much better. His skills were clear. His experience was easy to understand. Tom smiled. Then he found a new job opening. The company was looking for someone like him. Tom looked at the application. His hands were nervous. For a moment, Tom stopped. His old thoughts came back. What if they say no? What if I fail again? Tom almost closed the laptop. Then he remembered the old man. One more time. Tom took a deep breath. He clicked apply. The next morning, Tom received an email. He opened it slowly. The company wanted an interview. Tom could not believe it. He read the message 3 times. Then he smiled. His small decision had created a new chance. The interview was not perfect. Tom made some mistakes. He forgot one answer. He felt nervous. But he did not stop. He stayed calm. He answered honestly. He showed what he had learned. 2 days later, Tom received another email. His heart started beating fast. He opened the message. It said, "We would like to offer you the job." Tom stared at the screen. He could not speak. Then he smiled. Tom called his mother. "Mom," he said. "I got the job." There was silence. Then his mother started crying. She was happy. Tom was happy too. He remembered the night he wanted to give up. Everything felt different now. A few days later, Tom returned to the coffee shop. The old man was there. Tom walked to his table. "Do you remember me?" Tom asked. The old man smiled. "Yes. You were very tired." Tom laughed. "I almost gave up." Tom told him everything. He told him about his new routine. He told him about his interview. And he told him about the job. The old man smiled. "I am happy for you." Tom asked. "What made the biggest difference?" The old man answered. "You made one small decision." Tom thought about his journey. The job did not change his life immediately. The money did not change his life immediately. The company did not change his life immediately. The first change happened inside him. He decided to try again. Then he decided to improve. Then he took one small step. Tom learned an important lesson. You do not need to change everything today. You only need one small step. If you are learning English, take one small step. Learn 5 new words. Listen for 10 minutes. Speak one simple sentence. Then do it again tomorrow. Maybe you feel like Tom today. Maybe you are tired. Maybe you tried many times. Maybe you think nothing will change. But do not give up too quickly. Your next small decision may be important. You may not see the result today. But keep going. Tom looked at his new office on his first day. He remembered his old room. He remembered the rejection email. He remembered his sadness. Then he smiled. He knew something now. Failure was not the end. It was only one part of the journey. Tom still had difficult days. He still made mistakes. But now, he knew what to do. He did not wait for motivation. He took small steps. Every day. One step. Then another. Then another. And slowly, his life changed. Not because of one big miracle. Not because someone saved him. It changed because Tom made one small decision. He decided not to give up. That decision gave him another chance. That chance helped him improve. And improvement opened a new door. Now, let's practice together. Question 1. Why did Tom want to give up? Was it because he was lazy? No. He was tired after many failures. Question 2. What did Tom decide to do? He decided to improve himself. He studied. He practiced. And he tried one more time. Question 3. What would you do? If you failed many times, would you give up? Or would you try one more time? Write your answer in the comments. You can write, I will try one more time. Remember, you do not need a big change today. Start with one small decision. One small step. One more try. Because sometimes, one small decision can change everything.